What's up guys? Welcome back to a craft a day with yours truly, Araceli Chan DIY. So the theme for this week's DIY, grab your tea and let's get crafting. Listen, this DIY is so easy that mostly you're going to use jumbo craft sticks from Walmart. And then I'm also going to use wooden blocks from Dollar Tree as well as some rub-on transfers. And I'm starting out by getting 3 of the jumbo craft sticks and cutting them to create a triangle shape, which is going to be essentially the Christmas tree shape. And of course, do what works best for you, but I'm just going to be using some hot glue. I'm going to trim the bottom edges, and then I'm going to take more of the craft sticks and trace from the back, and those little edges I'm going to cut off. So this is what I'm going to use as the background. Now that it's all glued, you can either use the back or I'm going to flip it. This is going to be the front for me. I'm going to take another of the jumbo craft sticks and then add a couple pieces of the wooden blocks from Dollar Tree to create a base. I'm also going to create a bigger base that's going to go on the bottom of those 2, and then that's going to be glued to the back of the triangle. Now that it's all glued together, you can start decorating it however you want. I really like the raw look, but I ended up doing a coat of white paint. I'm going to add some twine to the bottom, which is going to be the trunk, and then using the rub-on transfers to put my words on there, joy to the world, and then any little decor that you want to add on here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to a craft a day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.